Ever dreamt of being your own boss, calling the shots, and watching your own little empire grow? It's an amazing feeling, but let me tell you, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's paperwork, mountains of it, invoices, receipts, taxes. It can get overwhelming fast. That's where accounting software comes in. It's the magic potion that keeps your finances organized, saves you a ton of time, and helps you make smarter business decisions. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be a headache. Today, we're diving into the world of accounting software and taking a close look at QuickBooks, a titan in the industry. But the question is, who's the biggest contender vying for QuickBooks' crown? QuickBooks, the king of the accounting hill. QuickBooks needs no introduction. It's been around for decades, trusted by millions of small businesses worldwide. It's user-friendly, offers a robust set of features, and integrates seamlessly with other popular business tools. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of accounting software. You've got invoicing, expense tracking, bookkeeping, payroll, the whole shebang. Plus, they have different versions tailored to various business needs, from freelancers to established companies. But here's the thing, no king rules forever. The software landscape is constantly evolving, and new players are emerging all the time. So, who's the challenger most likely to dethrone QuickBooks? The X Factor, fresh takes on accounting. There are several strong contenders, but one name keeps popping up, FreshBooks. Now, FreshBooks doesn't try to be everything to everyone. They focus on what they do best, making accounting ridiculously easy for freelancers and service-based businesses. Their interface is clean, intuitive, and feels more modern compared to QuickBooks. It's like the difference between a clunky old flip phone and a sleek smartphone. FreshBooks also boasts some impressive automation features, letting you spend less time crunching numbers and more time growing your business. But FreshBooks isn't the only one challenging the status quo. There's also Xero, another cloud-based accounting software that's gaining serious traction. Xero offers a strong focus on scalability, making it a good option for businesses that expect to grow rapidly. The Contenders Corner, strengths and weaknesses. So, how do these contenders stack up against QuickBooks? Here's a quick breakdown. Number 1. FreshBooks. Strengths. User-friendly, affordable, ideal for freelancers and service-based businesses. Strong automation features. Weaknesses. Limited features compared to QuickBooks. Not suitable for complex businesses. Number 2. Xero. Strengths. Cloud-based, scalable, good for international businesses, integrates well with other business tools. Weaknesses. Can be more complex to learn than QuickBooks, might not be the most budget-friendly option. Number 3. QuickBooks. Strengths. Feature-rich, well-established, integrates with a wide range of tools, user base with a lot of resources available. Weaknesses. Can be expensive for some businesses. Desktop versions require installation and maintenance. User interface might feel outdated compared to newer options. Ultimately, the best accounting software for you depends on your specific needs. If you're a freelancer or a small service-based business, FreshBooks is a great option with its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing. For businesses that expect to grow rapidly and need a scalable solution, Xero is a strong contender. QuickBooks remains a solid choice for businesses that need a comprehensive set of features and integrations, especially if you have a team comfortable with its interface. Don't be afraid to shop around and try out free trials before making a decision. The right accounting software can be a game changer for your business, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.